Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm pretty excited for this video because it's going to be another tutorial, which is basically just doing two looks with two palettes. And recently I did a video on my high-end eyeshadow palette collection, and I was actually going through all the comments today and I asked y'all to tell me which palettes you would like to see most on my channel, and so many of you requested the Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors and the Snow Angels palette from Dose of Colors, and I thought they're both beautiful. Why not go ahead and add them together and do two looks with both of them? So this is the Friendcation palette, in case you haven't seen it. It is so sparkly and beautiful, and it does have mattes and shimmers, and I feel like it has some really fun pops of colors and all neutral mattes. So there's a lot you could do here, but the mattes do limit you just a little bit. So I thought it'd be really fun. The reason I like this pair so much is because all of these mattes are super fun and vibrant, other than like this one, which is actually a really beautiful, unique tone. But I just thought that these would be so fun to pair together. So I did a really blue look and then like a pinky berry red type of look as well. So if you want to see them, then let's just go ahead and jump on in. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the first look. I'm gonna start off with the shade Necessary, and I'm going to put this through my crease and then just blend upwards. I'm just gonna slowly build this up. I want to do some really intense eye looks for this video, so. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go into Churro, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower down in the crease, and then do the same and build this shade up. These are blending so well, it's crazy. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade right here called Cheens, and again, just taking this a little bit further down in my crease, and I'm just going to keep deepening everything up. I'm going to go in with the previous brush and just blend that out some. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the Navy Thin Ice, and I'm going to use this to deepen my outer V. I'm also going to go ahead and take that navy blue along the lower lash line right here, just on the outer part, so that I can connect the shape. Alright, now for the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and take a moment, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. Ooh, that is beautiful. Definitely got fallout, unfortunately, and it is not wanting to wipe away. Yeah, I definitely have blue sparkles all over my face, but other than that, it's kind of amazing how beautiful this shimmer shade is, especially considering it was applied with a dry brush and no fingers. I'm going to pick up just a tiny bit of Game Over, this one right here. I'm just going to pat this on the outer half of my eye in between the matte and the bright blue. Alright, so I want to make the lower lash line a really fun pop of blue, so I'm going to go ahead and take 0 Degrees. And I'm going to pop this on the inner half of the lower lash line. I'm also going to go back in with the navy again and just deepen up the outer lower lash line and make it a little bit more smoky. Alright, so to finish off my eyes real quick, I'm going to go in with the Ardency Dark Blue Liner, the Too Faced BTS Mascara for my upper lashes, and then the Katy Perry CoverGirl Perry Blue Mascara for my lower lashes. Last but not least, for the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add Just a Kiss onto my inner corner. I'm actually just going to go ahead and spray that because I don't want any more fallout. Okay, the sparkles in these shadows are literally everything. Alright, really quick to finish up my face, I'm going to go into the Morphe 8W blush palette that I was sent through Octoly, and I'm going to use this shade right here called Beat. And then for highlighter today, I'm going to use the LC Skin Reflector highlight in the shade Pearly Glaze. And I'm just going to mix all the shades together. I think that looks really pretty, and it adds such a nice natural glow to the skin, which is really great because I'm breaking out a lot right now, so this is kind of my vibes. But I feel like this look is so intense, I just can't help it. I want to add just a little bit more of a blinding highlighter at the highest point of my cheekbones. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Glazed Donut from Ofra. Just grab the tiniest bit and add it right here. Last but not least, I'm just going to finish off with the Diamond Walk Lip Gloss from Jouer. Alright, so this is the finished look, and I really loved how it turned out. Let's go ahead and jump into look number 2. Okay, it's been several days since I filmed the first part of this video, so hopefully I can remember to do it in the same format. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Snow Angels palette today, and I'll just tell you what I'm doing really quickly because it's really simple. I'm just going to go ahead and build up these 3 berry shades in the crease, starting off with the lightest as a transition, deepening up with the pinky one, and then deepening up with the maroon. I'm taking that same first shade along my lower lash line and just connecting the shape. Alright, now going in with the pink. I'm going to take the pink along the lower lash line as well. I'm going to go back in with my previous brush and just blend that out, no additional product. Alright, now going in with the deepest berry shade, and I'm going to build this up in the lowest part of my crease as much as possible. I'm going to keep blending, but real quick I'm just going to go ahead and take that same really deep berry shade and take it along the lower lash line. Just going back and forth between the different brushes until I get the blend that I want. I'm going to go ahead and touch into just a little bit of the shade Basic, and I'm just going to use this to help blend the edge right here just a little bit more. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Try Me. I'm actually going to go ahead and use just a little bit of glitter glue first to help with the fallout. I'm also going to take a touch of that shade along the lower lash line on the inner part. Alright, now for my inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and take Just a Kiss, and I'm going to apply it the same way. I'm going to do some glitter glue first and then pop it on. I'm going to go ahead and add some black liner and some mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and finish this up. I'm going to take the Morphe blush palette in 8W, and I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here called Babe. I'm going to add that to my cheekbones just for a little bit of color, but nothing too much. Right now I'm going to go ahead and take the Makeup Revolution Sofax highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this pinky shade right here. For lips today, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Pinkies Up, and then I'm just going to top it off with the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Brio. So this is the second finished look using both of the Dose of Colors palettes, and I really love how it turned out. I don't know, I feel like the berries with the red lid is something I wouldn't have thought of without pairing these two palettes together, so I kind of really like that combination. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and felt a little bit inspired, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!